maximum retail price and the current subsidized price. Let me be specific. I want to know the current maximum retail price and the current subsidized price of this single superphosphate.
May I know from the honourable member for which districts you want to direct? Right.
So I'm not asking for the district. I'm asking the maximum retail price.
And it's like,
I think it has to be given in all districts. The rate has to be the same, I think.
yeah, because the price varies according to the from district to another district. So, against the existing rate proposal law is 5,136 per metric ton, and fertilizer rate is 4,061 rupees. Interest price 5,860. Then fertilizer rate is 266 rupees.
Per bag.
Per bag, yeah.
So because I had come across one incident where price, as I mentioned in the back, that the subsidized rate is more than 360, whereas the farmer has to buy at 900 rupees per bag. This is the current situation where farmers are buying 900. So in that case, what steps has been taken? Essentially, the farmers are buying this specific fertilizer at a rate of 900%, which is very responsible.
Sir, I have already replied. Steps taken to protect the farmers from market exposure. The fertilizers are shown very often they go to the retailers and they check the price, and all the retailers are affected to display the business rate. And beyond which they are not allowed to share. So they have to share with the date treatment order. That is very, very understood. For each retailer. Perhaps the one you have maybe it is should make the price action, but there is no such scope for complexity control. Because every now and then we the players with the development. There are numbers of treasure inspectors altogether in the whole state. 109 inspectors are there. 129 numbers of inspectors are there. So 20 inspectors are there. They are very good in city. They go to every retailer and so there is no trust and provide. When they sell the fertilizer, it is mandatory that they should upload a big integrated fertilizer integrated